You can remove floor tile by yourself for small rooms, but larger projects usually benefit from a team approach to control time and labor. Start by assessing the room size and tile type so you know what tools and effort will be required. For ceramic or porcelain tiles set with thinset, you will need a hammer and chisel or an electric jackhammer with a thin chisel bit for faster removal, and you should work from a broken tile toward intact areas to avoid shattering unexpectedly. For vinyl or peel and stick floor coverings, use a floor scraper or heat gun to soften adhesives, then scrape in short strokes to limit fatigue. Always score and remove transition strips and base shoe first so you can work to a clean edge and avoid damaging adjacent flooring or trim. Protect yourself with safety glasses, a dust mask rated for fine particulates, gloves, knee protection, and ear protection when using power tools. Control dust by keeping windows open and running a box fan or an air scrubber if available. Plan debris removal in advance by positioning a trash chute, heavy-duty contractor bags, or a wheelbarrow outside so you are not carrying broken tile through the house repeatedly. Common mistakes include underestimating time and fatigue, which leads people to start too fast and cause injuries or poor removal quality. So pace yourself, take regular short breaks, and stop before you are too tired. Another mistake is using the wrong tools, such as a small pry bar on large areas, which is slow and damages subflooring. So match the tool to the task and rent an electric hammer for medium-sized jobs or hire help when the area is extensive. A third problem is failing to contain dust and debris, which spreads throughout the home and creates cleanup headaches. So seal doorways with plastic sheeting, run ventilation fans, and bag debris frequently rather than letting it accumulate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives a place to compare project ideas and timelines based on real experiences. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community where our members share practical tips and first-hand advice on projects like tile removal.